Well, I teach tertiary level students as well. And last week we focused on frequency. And so this is the in-house text that we made at our university. So we include some kind of words like frequency, words of frequency like always, usually, every day, something like that. But then when we discuss things about frequency in the text, then I ask my students to write how they, what they do every day, or their hobbies, habits, or even their family. Then they got into a group of 5. And I also noticed that when they present their idea in writing, some of them put every day at the front, and some of them put every day at the end of the sentence. So then we can discuss culture, how this kind of word are used, or usually where we place it in the writing. And also the students said, well, in Thai we can say "tuk wan" or every day we go to school. But in English, why is it at almost all of them are at the end? So this is a very small unit, but then I can give them more example, and so they learn that if it is verb to be, the frequency usually come out after the verb to be and in front of the final verb. Like we are usually nice students, and we usually go to school on time, something like that. So they notice how we present the ideas in English.
Fascinating.
Ajahn Ubon, I think it would be interesting to compare what your Thai students are saying they do often, they do usually, they do sometimes, to what students from other cultures would say. And that would tell you something about the importance of various activities and values within a culture, and how frequently certain things are done or not done. It would be an interesting study to me.
Excellent.
Say something that in relation to what you just said, Damon. I did a project with a Japanese teacher, and we asked the student to talk about university life in Japan and in Thailand, and got a fascinating data. But what I'm telling you about my teaching, I teach business communication, and sometimes I deal with the body language and how people ask questions. I ask them to watch the CNN, BBC, the French Channel 5, CCTV, and the Thai channel. Look at the news commentators and see the body language, the outfit, the way they handle, the gesture, basically the gesture, and identify the commonalities between what they saw.
That's a great activity. And we're so lucky that we have access now to news reports from around the world, from a variety of different cultures. The internet alone provides us with an incredible range of resources, but also television, and that's a wonderful way to explore that, or exploit it, is to look for commonalities, look for differences, and then to talk about how we might be misunderstood because we do something that other people don't do, or they do something that we don't do. And it's, especially in business, critically important when you're negotiating to make sure that we're all talking about the same things and that we're doing it the same way. That's a marvelous activity. Yeah. Other examples? Maybe one more? Do we have time for one more, I hope? Yeah.
Yeah, I teach Mathayom 5 or grade 11. I applied IDEN in my class. Yeah, there are so many projects. Yeah, for the first semester, yeah, I let the student do one day in the life. Yeah, I can't remember who is the
great idea.
Yeah, maybe Bill, is the owner of this website, and I try to give them some idea that let show our culture, to the website. I let them take photo, any photo that show our culture, and 2 or 3 photo are published, in New York, in New York, it's like the student, why or greeting your mom, in the morning, and the student explain what they do, what they do, in the picture, and one is they walk to the JJ market, and so like some kind of drinking cha chak, like it's a traditional drinking in the south of Thailand.
I love the idea of using project work because that's a place where you can get at how complex this is, but also with each student having a chance to kind of explain it from their perspective. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you for a very productive and insightful comment from participants on how to review the culture and how we practice that and see it throughout student activities in the classroom. Thank you.